a little bit of background. The truck used about 3 or 4 quarts of oil a week. Sporadically, some weeks it wouldn't use it, some weeks it would use it. So I put a BD turbo on and injector seals. I found some bad seals on the injectors. Put it all back together. Missing and smoking real bad, blowing oil everywhere. Took everything out, redid it, put it back in, same thing. Here's the oil. It's absolutely everywhere. So I'll start it. I've got cylinder 2, 4, and 8. It says it's a misfire, but the buzz test is alright. Here's what it sounds like.